In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a traffic light time series widget to the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So in order to do this, we can go into the Add Widgets button and scroll down to Traffic Light Time Series. I explain what the traffic light tool does in a separate video, so I won't do that in this video. But you can see we have our Edit Widget drawer open here. We have our Preview section, and then we have our Settings section down here. So first, we need to select a parameter so we can set a rule. So for this, let's use Atlantic wave height. By default, we have the times showing green when the waves are below 1 meter, yellow between 1 and 2 meters, and red above 2 meters. If the user would like to add a second rule, they can do so here. And they can change the rule condition with this button here. But for now, let's delete that and just use this one rule. So the time range by default is set to 2 days or 48 hours in the past up until right now. The user can also set specific start and end dates for the time series plot. But for this example, let's use 48 hours in the past and through 48 hours into the future. And then the user is prompted to select the location. So let's choose an area off of North Carolina. You can see the lat long populate there. And then the user can set a title if they'd like. And if the user goes ahead and adds the widget, you can see that data will load in on the dashboard. And for this particular example, the waves are quite high, so most of the time we have this red section in the background of the time series plot with a short little yellow window here 2 days ago. The user can hover over the line to look at the data at that specific point. The user can change the color of the line here. They can delete the widget, edit the widget, or resize the widget here. Or they can download the data with this button up here.